Hello everyone, today we are going to talk about a very important topic in English grammar. So this video is belong to work from home, which means WFH channel. So we hope you go and subscribe this channel because there's too many other topics that can be very useful for you. Okay, let's start it from today our topic, which is about conditionals. Conditionals. This is a very complex topic because too many students they are confusing while they're using this topic. That's why I choose this topic to explain for you. So let's start. What is conditional? Okay, conditionals in English. Do you know what does mean conditional? Conditional tenses are used to speculate about what could happen or what might have happened or what we wish would happen. So it's something that you want to happen in real life or in an unreal life. But here we have four types of conditionals, like zero conditional and first conditional, also second conditional and third conditional. Each conditionals that have different grammatical rules, so we should follow them. Basically, conditionals starts from if or when, but it's okay if you replace when by if. And also here we have zero conditional, which refers event in reality, like it's 100% talk about real events in life, like something will really happen. So let's see what's zero conditional. Zero conditional is used for when the time being referred to now or always. Now or always. It's not going to talk about past or like future. It's just about talking about now or always. And the situation is real and possible, which means that the thing that happened is gonna be real, like it has a possibility to happen. And the zero conditional is often used to refer general trust. It's not like expectation. It's not like just idea. It's a real expectation, like real trust. Okay, let's see what is the rule of zero conditional. The rule of zero conditional always, as we said, start from if or when, no problem. In present simple and another present simple, which means that we have two clauses, the if clause and also we have the main clause, and both of them are present simples. But before we start the examples, we have the rule of present simple. The rule of present simple, we have subject and verb. If the subject is singular, definitely you will need a S, we call it third personal singular S, and then object. And also in the other part, the main clause, we have another present simple, which starts from subject and also verb and object. Let's cover some example about the first conditional, zero conditional. Here we have an example. If it rains, the grass gets wet. Carefully focus on this sentences. So, if it rains, the grass gets wet. It's a real trust, like something will happen, right? For example, if it's if rain comes, it's gonna be what? What happens? If this happen, that thing happen. If this happen, that thing happen. In this conditional. If it rains, the grass gets wet. Okay, for second example, if you bit ice, of course, it's gonna be melt. If you bit ice, it melts. If you bit ice, it melts. If, and also we have subject here, we have bit, verb, and ice is gonna be object. So which means this is if clause, and this is gonna be main clause. We have another example here. If you look, if they study well or if they study hard, they pass the exam. Do you see? If you do this, that thing will happen, and that thing happen. If they study hard, this is if clause, and they pass the exam, this is the main clause. Okay, let's cover another example. They win the game if they play well. So this sentence is different. Like they replaced the if clause and also the main clause. The main clause starts with the beginning, and also the if clause starts at after the main clause. But here we have something to tell you. It's very important. If you look at here, we don't have any comma here. And also the three other examples, here we have comma. Why? Because if the if clause starts at the beginning, then you will need to use comma in the middle between two clauses. But if the main clause starts at the beginning, then you don't need to use comma in the middle. Like there will not be any comma between two clauses. Okay, when I am happy, I smile. When I am happy, I smile. Is it a real trust? Yes, it's a real truth. If you are happy, definitely you will smile. When I am happy, I smile. Okay? Text me if you get lost. Text me if you get lost. Or you can say, if you get lost, text me. But here we have what? We don't have any comma between them, between two clauses. Why? Because the main clause starts at the beginning. That's why we don't need any if here. But if we replace if you get lost with the main clause, then you will need a comma between two clauses. Okay, this is the first zero